This is a little unexpected video. I got a box and I normally don't have a box. So let's do the intro. What's up everybody, Kwaku here, bringing you a random new video. Today I got a box, a surprise from Microsoft. It is coming, from Redmond essentially. In my name. I never get these boxes, so let's take a look at what it is. A little different video. I got a B cam over there, which is pretty beautiful. You see my little knife in here. So yeah, let's take a look at what it is. So as you guys know, the hashtag that you see on the video title, WIMVP. If you don't remember, if you're new to this channel, I am officially now in Windows Insider MVP because of all the insider videos I've been covering, all that kind of content and stuff. I got nominated back in December, and then I got the award, or I got officially awarded the title in January or February, whenever that time frame was. And so now, this has to do apparently with that whole program that I'm in. So let's see what they have for me. I'm using my little Cobalt knife here. Pretty dope here. It's really sharp. This thing was trapped into Florida it was trapped in Florida, like Orlando, Florida for like a week, and I couldn't hear back from FedEx for it. But you can see here on my B cam here that the close up for it, and I could just kind of dump everything on the ground. You guys will see on this main cam, just like what else is there. So already I can just tell you right now, it says Windows on it. It says, it says Windows on it. Let's put it for the B cam right here. It says Windows. So I'm already excited. This looks like a tote bag. So I don't really use these, but I can put this in the car going to the gym somewhere. And this bag, if I can show it on the B cam, it says Windows Insider MVP helps shape the future of Windows, insider.windows.com. So you can see that right there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty deep. It's like up to my elbows. It's pretty deep. I'm gonna keep this back here. You'll see that right there. I'm in the kitchen for the first time doing this. What is this? This looks like, if I show it there, this looks like some kind of mug or something like that. Let me take a look at what this is. This also says Windows Insider MVP. So I don't know how well this cam will pick it up. Maybe I'll zoom in on it in post, but it says Windows Insider MVP. It's one of those insulated mugs, so if you've seen those before, it keeps your coffee warm, keeps your drink cold, things like that. It's really small. One thing I hope that it has is I hope it fits in my car's cup holder, because this would be pretty good for that. Maybe a small coffee for that. Then we got some, looks like, what is this? What is this? It says express yourself with the real world Windows emoji stickers just for you and other Insider MVPs. Windows key plus dot to activate it. So there it is right there. See if I can get it any closer. There we go. There it is right there. I don't know. Oh yeah, you can actually peel them off and like tape them. I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna keep it right here. Put this back here. There's even more in this box here. Looks like there's even a t-shirt in this box here. It is a size small because that is my size. This is a, what is it? This is a long sleeve t-shirt. Windows Insider MVP long sleeve t-shirt. I just clipped my microphone. I'm so sorry. Yeah, let's see how it fits, because it looks good. It's very thick. Unfortunately, it's summertime now, so I'll be right back. And we're back. So far, it feels pretty good. It's definitely hot right now. I'm already sweating. In fact, I just came inside and I'm sweating. But I gotta say, this Windows Insider MVP drip feels pretty good. I gotta expose my little watch here. Yeah, it feels good. It's the right size. It feels comfortable. Unfortunately, it's getting to spring, summertime now, so it's not really the right time to wear it, but I like it. It feels good. And here is the layout. I threw away the box. There's nothing else in it. Here is everything that came in the box. It's pretty solid stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Just wanted to show off some little swag that I got for the Insider MVP program. Let me see if I can let this camera see the rest of it. And maybe, there we go. So that's what came with it. In fact, I'm kind of blocking it a little bit with this thing here. But yeah, that's pretty much what came with everything. hope you guys enjoy this short video. It's not really short, it's probably the normal length, but maybe we'll stay tuned for more unboxings in the future. Maybe I'll continue using this kitchen area here, as you can tell with the pots and pans back there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys maybe Monday, but guaranteed Tuesday.